war? What do you think, Jack?
He's a maniac like Ahmadinejad of Iran, and he's even supplying his weapons to Syria and to Iran. Yes, they will go to war. Now, it could be a limited war right now, but they have a lot of strategic nuclear weapons, and of course we've had thousands of our men stationed there for years to protect South Korea. But recently, they torpedoed a South Korean ship. That's what this is all about.
Now,
If we retaliate, they say we're going to use nuclear weapons, and they've got that. It could be a terrible turmoil in that part of the world. Now, this could just be one of the wars. That's the big one called Armageddon in Revelation 16:16. But a limited war mentioned by Jesus in Matthew 24 verses 6 and 7. He said there should be wars and rumors of wars. Nation shall rise against nation and kingdom against kingdom. And again, Mark chapter 13 verses 7 and 8. Nation shall rise against nation and kingdom against kingdom. But there's an hour coming when Russia will make a move against the Middle East with an Arab alliance, and then China will move, the kings of the